Hi, my name is Ellie, and in a series of tutorials, I'm going to show you how to use the features of VEDAMO Virtual Classroom. I hope you find this useful.
Polls in the virtual classroom are great for creating interaction, keeping participants engaged, and collecting their opinions and feedback during the session. Let's see how to create and launch one from within the virtual classroom space. To access polls, click on the three dots from the main communication panel and choose the option from the list of features. To launch an existing poll, click on the Load button and then on Launch a Poll. You can choose a few settings before launching the poll. To create a poll, click on the green Create a Poll button. Provide a name and a short description of the poll, then click Create. Choose the type of question or questions for your poll. You will be prompted to save after each question and return to the beginning. When you are ready, save your poll and close the window. The newly created poll is already in the list and you can launch it. To view the history of active or finished polls inside the virtual classroom, click on the Polls History tab. Students can also see the history of the finished polls in which they have participated. You can view the results when the poll is still active, the overall results or for a specific participant, or when the poll is finished by clicking on the Finished button. The results will be displayed under the settings of the poll. Now you're ready to create and launch a poll in your session.
Thank you for watching. You can also check the detailed step-by-step article in the description of this video. Happy teaching!